Wendi Knox, we are so excited to have you out here at Moonacre Ranch on March 23rd for your amazing workshop called Breaking Out of the Age Cage. So tell us, what will women take away from your workshop?
Well, my intention is that this be an uplifting and inspiring workshop in which we share and examine the stories we tell ourselves about age. Stories inherited from our family, from the culture, from fairy tales, from movies, all those things we've learned about aging that don't have to be true in our lives. So in this workshop, we're going to look at the stories we tell ourselves and create new stories so we can move forward into the rest of our lives full of possibilities, joy, and expansiveness instead of the same old stories that society tells us. So my goal is for us to help each other in becoming ageless and cageless.
I love that, ageless and cageless. Well, we are certainly looking forward to seeing you out here again at Moonacre Ranch on March 23rd here in Spicewood, Texas. Thank you, Wendi Knox. Can't wait to see you.
Thank you.